So funny.
I need to go over and get my motorcycle, really.
Okay, well, here, we're not going to talk about that. Look, I'm videotaping you.
This is not great.
This is Corey.
Great stuff, but it ain't great.
Corey
today.
with his, what is that, babe?
Great stuff.
No, what's the name of it?
Great stuff. Good stuff.
Say bye, Corey.
Bye, baby.
Bye, baby. Oh. Yeah, bye. Lacey said bye-bye. Oh, gosh, she's so cute. Okay, Corey, so you got that. It's still squirting out
Dad,
everywhere.
thanks for the idea.
Everywhere.
Let's give that to my dad. Thanks for the
Look,
idea.
look right here. I mean, it's literally everywhere. On his shoes, on that.
Well, I didn't have a thing for it. I had to poke a hole in it to start coming. That's what she said.
I know, right? I love you. I love you, baby.
Yeah, I got it stuck. See, that's bullshit. You ain't even trying to help. You're laughing.
Because I tried to help you.
This ain't even really funny.
Oh, it's hilarious. Because I told you, you need to be
Open the other
prepared.
door and see if there's any holes over there.
You need to be prepared.
Hear me?
Yes, here, I got you some tissue.
There's no preparation for this shit.
Yes, there is actually, babe. Yes, honey, you just wouldn't listen.
You know why there's not?
You
Because
wouldn't wait.
It don't have a handle on it.
You wouldn't wait and let me,
It don't matter. You still ain't got a handle.
No, babe, there's no holes over here that I know of. There is some, like, holes for where the cover piece goes, but once you get a cover piece,
I'm
then...
talking about rust holes.
No, baby, there's no rust holes, honey. There's no... Here, you want to blow your
You
nose?
see anywhere else?
I brought you some tissue.
Yeah. Put it on my nose.
Okay, I'm going to, honey.
Hurry.
See, that's your problem. You're hurry. And
I'm not like that though, baby.
some things you can't hurry. Hold on. Go.
Wipe it.
I am.
And when I'm yelling, I'm not yelling at you. I'm just yelling because
Here, let me see.
you see any more holes? Hurry.
Let me get, hold on. Okay.
I mean, this is like a hurry
You're
situation.
good.
You're just like
No. Yeah, it's not a hurry situation. Because when you hurry, ladies and gentlemen, you get that
No, you don't.
everywhere.
you don't. No, you don't.
When you hurry. I still love you, though.
I don't see nothing else.
I didn't either, so... I mean, you want me to lift up the back? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there might be some back here at the trunk, you know?
There's this shit everywhere, man.
I know.
Fucking sucks, really.
Oh, God, baby. Did you see any on the sides, going on the side?
Travis, thank you.
See, look, there's some right there. What about all that in there? Yeah.
Inside?
I mean, anywhere.
It's right here. I guess it'll putty it up just like Mondo. Sorta.
Well, we'll find out. I don't see any more rust holes. I mean, that's really a good idea, actually. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for spots you can, because it
That
breaks
you
off.
can't get into.
Because it breaks off once it's dry, you know?
Yeah, it does. And, but it will go in and fill it, you know? It'll fill the areas that, oh my Lord, you squirt on me. I'm telling you. Hold on, Lele. Corey's in a rush squirting situation.
It's not funny, really. It sucks.
Oh, go, baby. I'm going to drop it on your head.
I mean, get a shovel, get a something. I'm definitely not.
Can you hold this
touching
with your
it.
back?
No.
Just let me put
Yeah,
it down.
go.
Put it down.
Yeah, back it. Back it. Hurry.
Okay,
Let
good.
it go.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to find something, okay?
Great.
All right. I love you. Hey, let me see what we got. Oh, we got something over here. Perfect. All right. We got to hurry. Oh, goodness. Here, we'll use this right here. Yeah, this is good. Oh. What about the front bumper? Here, is there anything? Here, babe. Lift it up with your back.
I can't.
Okay,
Man,
hold on,
Serious?
No, just hold on. Okay.
Lift it up against
There,
back.
okay.
My back muscles.
Yes. I mean, we all have some.
Yeah, but not.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
in
I'm
here.
trying to.
You picked the worst thing. Grab a shovel. Swear to God, it works perfect. Hear
Shut
me?
your little mouth.
Do you see a shovel?
I see you getting ready to
You're
get.
using something that's gonna fuck up my. No, whoa.
Oh
Baby,
my
Listen to me.
God.
Listen to me. It puts pressure on one side, and I don't have the thing over here. You hear?
Oh.
I can get in the back seat. Just let's shut it. Shut it.
There, I got it. There.
Okay.
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 You just needed to get. Let me. I mean, you know,
I'm about to get you.
you got squirting shit everywhere. Oh my God, you can help it. I'm pausing this.